So guys, welcome back to the channel CAD Comrade, and in today's video we are going to learn about how to add slash change AutoCAD fonts. So let's first learn how to write in AutoCAD, that is how to use the multi-line text command in AutoCAD. So you of course have a option of text, which is right over here. You can just write text and press enter. It will just give you a point that you can specify, let's say till here and not till here, right over here, like this. So this is a single line text command, which is right, which you can see it right over here. So let's say if you write anything, let's say cat comrade is the best exclamation. Okay, so let's say you just added text right over here. This is way more simple, but this right here are the simple text. Let's say you want to change the text by your own font. So for that you have a command which is right over here, which is known as the multi-text command. So this is the multi-text command, which is right over here. For this you have to specify a box of line, and then it it will create a multi-line text box for you, just simple as how Google Slides or any Word file generates text box for you the same way. So let's write here also cat comrade is the best best. So as you can see right over here, that you had specified this distance for your text box. So if this goes in the next line, and let's say you want all in the same line, then it is very simple. You can just drag this forward, and the width of the text box will increase. The height of the text box depends on the height of the text, which is right over there. So let's say you have written this text, and the font right over here are the standard AutoCAD Arial font. Let's say now you want to change it. It is very simple. Just press Ctrl A, select the whole thing, and AutoCAD itself has hundreds of fonts loaded on it, which you can see it right over here on the top left corner under the formatting dialog box, which is right over here. If you can see my mouse cursor, which is right over here, so you just have to click on the drop down menu, and you can see it over here that AutoCAD itself has hundreds and hundreds of font loaded in its database, so you can change it from wherever, whatever you want in AutoCAD, and you can just select any of the font that you like. So let's say I just randomly liked this, and just press anywhere outside it, and your text will be changed by your desired fonts. So that's how simple it is to add any text in AutoCAD and to change the font of AutoCAD. If you want to learn how to load custom fonts in AutoCAD, then subscribe to my channel and check out the videos. Thank you. Oh, I forgot. If you like the video, then share it with someone who may need it.